Okay, guys, what's up? Welcome to the Stro Life. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button if you haven't already. We have a monthly subscription, first one that we've ever done. This is a subscription monthly to BattleBox, which is a survival and tactic gear company. So it's mostly like outdoorsy, prepper, camping kind of stuff. So we'll go ahead and open this up here. This is the first one. Box a little smaller than I thought it was going to be, so good things come in small packages. This is actually a knife that I got that you see there from the trip that we went to. You guys can see the video of this at the Thousand Islands. When we went to, what was that? Singer Castle. That was an awesome video. Check that out. Alright, so let's see what's in here. The wife is kind of because, oops, there's another piece of tape. This was a $60 box. So they have like 4 tiers of boxes. I think it was like $40, $70, $110, and like almost $200. So this is kind of the second tier box. So we'll see what we get here. We'll open it like this so that we can see. Okay, look at that. We got the BattleBox Mission Brief 89 Adventure delivered. Alright, let's see what this is here. So it looks like a catalog. Sweet, some of the other stuff that they offer. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Let's see what else we got. Oh, I was hoping to get one of these. Oh man, I was hoping to get one of these in the future. I didn't expect to get one in the box. So this is a pocket shot. So essentially, it's like a slingshot. This part pulls back. It's rubber kind of thing. You load a pellet into here. You pull it back. You let it go. It's like a dummy-proof slingshot. This thing can take down small game and potentially even big game. But yeah, that is super, super, super cool. Nice. Very, very nice thing to have for your little bug out kit there. That's awesome. Super happy with that one right off the bat. I did not know what those things range for cost-wise. So we have a Battle Bandage sterile gauze pad. It's vacuumed, self-adhering compression wrap. Nice. So this is like all stuff that you would get, like I said, like if you have kind of a little bug out box, if you're a outdoors person, a camper, you know, whatever have you. If you're, you know, you want stuff to kind of keep on, if you're out on the road, if you break down, this is all awesome stuff to have. So this is a custom molded earplug, which is interesting. Heat and shape. Thermoplastic custom molds. So I'm assuming this is just hot water protection available. So it's just an earplug for noise reduction. Not really sure the application that would be in a camping outdoorsy survival scenario other than maybe to sleep. But I'll tell you, if I'm in one of those situations, the last thing I probably would want to do is take one of my senses away from me. I want to kind of be on high alert, you know what I mean? But I'm sure they'd be useful for something. So we got that. And we got one more thing here. This is a bit heavier. We got some coupon books here. Alright, so we'll get rid of this here. Let's see what this is really quick. I'm excited to see what this is here. Dead fish. Alright, let's see what's in here. This is the first time I've used this knife that we got from Singer Castle. It was just because I happened to have it close by. I kind of started like souvenir collecting pocket knives at places that we go to, if there's one available. And they happen to have this one here. This is kind of a little combo knife. I really like that. That was a nice one. Looks like a fish. All right, what's in here? Let's see. Yo! Oh, man. Look at that. Dead fish. Ho, ho, ho. That's nice. That is nice. Look at that. Very, very nice weighted knife. So, I'm assuming this is going to be for as a kind of like a cooker's knife, a chef's knife, I should say, replacement scenario. I couldn't really think of, it's not thin enough for a fillet knife to like fillet a fish, but, and it's kind of got like a, kind of gives me like a, it says fish on it, which is deceiving, because I don't think it's to fillet a fish. I think it's like a prep cook knife kind of thing. That is really, really nice, though. That is a big boy right there.
It's for cooking.
Is it? Mm-hmm. There you go. I hit the nail on the head. Well, that's not bad. This was $70. This knife here, I'd say has to be probably a good $30, $40 item right there. This thing, I'm guessing, is probably around 30, 40 bucks. This, probably not too much, maybe 10 bucks. This, probably about the same, 10 bucks-ish. So, yeah, I would say it's probably about the equal value of what we paid for it. But the reason I got this is because there's things that I wanted to get that I might not know I want to get until I get them. You know what I mean? Like, this thing. I have not had any consideration to get something like that. And now that I have it, I'm like, yeah, that'd be awesome to have. This thing I've considered getting, but it's one of those things where it just kind of, you know, not priority kind of thing. But now it came in the box and I got it. So awesome, guys. We got another box coming next month. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, like, hit the like button. Share us out if you want to show these kind of things to other people that are considering getting one of these boxes. And leave a comment what you think of the value of this and the items, what you might want to have in one of these boxes, or what, if any of these items you know more about it, or one of these items you're not too happy with, or whatever, man. Give me your feedback, and I look forward to doing another one of these for sure when I get my next box next month, guys. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.